very sorry to bother. Would you like me to have Nina for a couple of days? Because I'm at the yard. Me and Mum's. I don't. That's all right. She's all right with me. I'll hold her. I will hold her. Okay. All right, mate. No problem. No problem. Sorry. Just trying to help you out a little bit. That's all. You all right? What's the matter, babe? You all right? I've got her. She's going to the... I've got her. I will grab her. I will... Oh, she's a harmless pig, as we all know, but I will grab her. I will look after her. Promise you. You alright? What's the matter, love? Do you want to come up to the yard? I'm going up to the yard. If you want to come up to the yard with your dog, you're welcome to. Alright? Have a fucking day away. Have a day away from this sour bitch that you live next to. You alright, fine? Thank you. You alright, love? Oh, come on. Don't cry, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, love. Come on, pick yourself up and wipe yourself down. That's what one of them tell me. Take your time. I'll only do it if you want me to, mind. I'm only offering, alright? I want you to know that I'm only offering, okay? I'll sort that. I'll sort that. I'll sort that. Give us me. Right. Alright. 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 Oh, what's that?
This woman, I can't bear it anymore.
What's she doing here? She's doing a pig on you.
I just don't want to live here anymore. This isn't her.
Hey,
I don't care if she can hear me. I hope she is.
well, when you've had enough of her, I'll come down and I'll beat all those fucking windows out for you.